Here we are in the room. It was supposed to be a Jubilee room, twin, but it's actually the Jubilee Tower Suite. $20 in the passport, worked an absolute treat. Room's absolutely huge. We have stayed in the penthouse once at the MGM when did a bit of a blag on that one. That was absolutely massive, but this is more than big enough for the three of us. We've even got a random sink in the room, which I find a bit bizarre, but obviously washing out glasses and that. View wise, we've got the link here on the side. You can see the western back of the Flamingo. And that's where the everyone saw the vlog yesterday. The famous roadworks were just there, and it's all stopped now, so hopefully we'll get some sleep. I'm just moving into the bathroom. Hello there, Sam. Sam's not well actually. She's been trooping on. It's not been man down, man flu. There's Jordan. It's the bathroom. I'll share these for the Sam Jordan. Toilet, sink's good, and shower, huge. So definitely recommend it. Obviously just the noise let me down last night.